So I'm discuss about the very important one and a very important notice point. Any website to transfer one website to another website or one page to another page, you can give one particular name. This is a website, this is a blog, this is a so and so. These are under comes to your particular page names. The name will given by the anchor text. The page name given by the anchor text. Anchor text will be syntax is called a space href. A space href. Now here, what are my menu names? Home, profile, services, facilities, gallery, contact us. Go to cPanel, click File Manager. Select public underscore HTML. Select index page. So how many pages right now we have? Display 6 pages. I'm selecting one page. What is the name here? Got how many pages? But we have the 6 pages there, but no name. Means no anchor text. No anchor text. Any specific page, they give one specific name called anchor text. So the comment here. Now how many pages? Total 6 pages. Is it clear? Any kind of particular page name will give by anchor text. In an interview question asking for no anchor text, what happened? The page, no identity. The page, no identity is a very important syntax on SEO. Using SEO anchor text, every page will give one specific name called anchor text. Every page, one specific name is called anchor text. There is a syntax will be here. A space href. Please write down the syntax. This is the syntax here. Is a link, is a name, will mention by where? Your particular website. Any kind of social media links to identity purpose, any kind of page name you can identity purpose, use the page name is called to option call is anchor text. In any company, what is meant by a space href is equal anchor text. One more name is called anchor text, is called hyperlink. Anchor text, one more name is called hyperlink. So this is a major important key role for anchor text to design your website to particular page names, particular URL names.